Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, this right here that you're about to watch is an incident that occurred in Belize, where a police constable was shot by a fellow police officer. Yes, you heard me correctly. A police constable was shot by a fellow police officer. And now he's here saying that he wants to tell him side of the story while he is able to. Now people, him have on a mask on him face, him unable to speak too clear. So now try to really listen and hear and understand what I must say. Alright, so let's jump in and take a listen.
This is my side of the story. Before I can say it again. I made assist a colleague to buy a vehicle. I closed out. And when going to the gas station, I was hit from behind by a vehicle over there. Over 100 yards away, the person just accelerating to the back of me. I had enough time for turning, and this person just speed up and knocked me. And to make matters worse, the cartel wanted to deal with the case. He looked like he may know the person, and I don't know what kind of hustle them want to do. But he and the lady, the gang up to me, and he told me that they're my fault, and I must just pay because I got a new vehicle, my insurance to pay, and I had to tell them that he not even do a proper investigation yet. He just come under the pretext that I'm at fault. This person is far away and she speed up and run into the back of me just for hustle money because they sit on a new vehicle. The cartel and the lady, and I felt like I would get railroaded, like they had some kind of plan going on. So I left the area. And I tried to go to somewhere familiar. Because I didn't know what kind of scheme they had going on. So I had to Belize City. And on my way to Belize City, like the outskirts of Orange Walk, a police mover started approaching me with lights on, but I would prefer to stop within city limits, within town limits, because I never know whether they've planned to do with me out there. When the vehicle finally come to one stop, the town, in the Orange Rock town, I realized I had a firearm on me, and I was about to declare it when one of the police had a gun, and he run back way, and they started opening fire upon me. They shoot, they won. When the bullet catch me on my back, My finger pressed the trigger in the vehicle and my gun gone off, but the shots keep coming from the back. So I throw down the gun because I know they may try to say that me shoot after them. The only shot was fired off in my vehicle. Go into the gun, into the floor. Nobody not being on the floor. So how they say I shoot after them. We train better than this. I know I train better than this. You know, just shoot after people without knowing what happened first. They just shoot up my vehicle. They just shoot up my vehicle. And shoot me in the back. When the shots fire off in my back, my gun gone off one time, but because they keep firing, I threw the gun down. I was about to declare the weapon when they frightened and shoot after me. When they shoot me, the only shot happened in my vehicle in the floor. There was no one single shot fire off of my weapon and I in the floor. After they shoot me in my back. When they dragged me out, I landed on my face. I had my iPhone in my hand. They dragged me from my face on the pavement. And a police officer, so if they could do that to me, what they would do with the public? After they shoot me in my back, they drag me from my face. Throw me in the truck back. Now my iPhone gone. Either they took it themselves or one of their friends took it. Nobody can give account for my iPhone. This is how the police department come to. Attacking each other. They can't say I shoot after them. Because no bullet holes coming out of my vehicle. The only shot was fired in the floor after I get shot in my back. Police just shooting people without any warning. We train better on this. Every time I close my eyes, I see police in a camouflage. They come at me, they shoot at me, and they drag me about the place. Every time I look in the eye, I see it. And I have nightmares about this. And why? Because somebody trigger happy. They just shoot me for no reason because I see a gun. I give people benefit of the doubt when they have a gun, if they license it and they declare it. I give them the benefit and they just all shoot there. Why this have to happen to me? I get attacked like this for no reason. I know that they try to cover up everything by saying that I shoot at them. They check my vehicle. One shot fire into the floor after they shoot me in my back. They have no justification for shooting me. I don't know why they do that. And then they cover up everything by saying it's on me. I shoot at them. Show me the evidence of that. Only one time my gun gone off. First, and I get railroaded the closer. And now, I get shot. Then try to kill me with the orange rock. I don't know they're police. I don't do anything. I don't know why they don't have a problem with me. And this is what they do. So, if I die at the orange rock, I just want my story to get heard. This is my side of the story. This is what really happened. Check the evidence yourself. So my statement. I'm a police officer. I work at Belize City. And I just want to try to get back to Belize City because I think I'm going to be safer there. But they gunned me down before I could reach. They tried to kill me before I could reach.
Boy, me I tell you, it's a sticky situation, you know. But let's just hope the investigation goes well and the police them find out who was actually in the wrong. Alright? And justice is served. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this whole situation. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.